Good morning students, I Miss Ashwini Devi. Welcome to Standard 4. Students, today we are going to learn a new poem which is based on rainy season. The name of our poem is Rain in the Night. But first I would like to ask you some questions. How many seasons are there in India? Yes, correct, 3 seasons. That is rainy season, summer season and winter season. So how many students like rainy season? Yes, there are many more students who like and enjoy rainy season. So in this poem, we are going to learn more about rainy season and what are the things which we do in rainy season that we are going to see. So students, open your book, page number 1. Let us recite the poem first. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. So students, now in this poem we are going to see the rain is falling loud and soft, just like a song. So students, in this poem, the rainy season is going continuously in a hard and soft voice. And the poet is Amelia Josephine Bird. She is telling that the sound of the rain is compared to the music. All the students like the song. In the same way, the rain is also been compared with the music, with the song. So raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters. Gutters means, students, the place where all the dirty water gather. And lakes along the street. On the street means on the road. During the rainy season, we see all over waters around the street. It will make our lazy kitty. So in this poem, there is one cat. It means kitty. The name of the cat is Kitty. Cat is being called as Kitty also. She is very lazy. She don't like to do anything. She is just sleeping and taking rest in one place. Wash his little dirty feet. Do you know what one cat is doing here? The kitty is just going in the dirty water and she is just jumping and washing his little feet. The roses will wear diamonds. See students, these are the roses. Do you see the roses? The roses will wear diamonds. In this poem, Amelia Josephine Bird has described about the diamond. Kings like kings and queens at court. The poet is been comparing. These are the flowers. These are the roses, which is being compared with the diamond. It means during the rainy season, all the rainwater, the raindrops are coming on these flowers, and it looks, when the person see that thing, they looks like that the roses become diamonds. Due to that raindrop, the roses are also shining like a diamond. So it is being compared in this way. Like kings and queens at court, like whenever you have seen the king and the queen, they are wearing the diamond necklace, diamond bangles, diamond rings. So as if the flowers are also wearing the jewelry, like so. It means that the flowers are also looking very bright and shining. So as if the king and queen. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Pansies means these are the pansies. These are small plant who gets very muddy due to this rainy season. The rainfall is so loud, no? Due to that they became muddy. Because they are so short, they get muddy because they are short in their size. I will sail my boat tomorrow. So in this poem there is one girl who is having a watering can, and the girl is telling that one, I want to enjoy this rainy season. I want to play. But I am going to sail the boat tomorrow in this watering place, in wonderful new places. But the girl is been thinking that first my duty is, first I will take my watering pot. The girl is having a watering pot with her, and she is telling us that first I want to water all the pansies faces because it gets very muddy. And first I want to get clean that pansies, and then only I am going to sail my boats. So students, in this poem we learn how all the people, some of them are suffering very difficultly during the rainy season, but a small children like you, they are enjoying the rainy season. So again I am going to recite the poem once again. Just listen it very carefully. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. So students, now in this video I have explained you this poem. In my next video we will see the next poem. Thank you.